Prominent British actor Stephen Fry has caused quite a stir with his call to boycott the Sochi Winter Games. It's after Russian legislators agreed a ban on promoting homosexuality to children. RT's Polly Boyko separates the myths from the reality amid the media frenzy.
Stephen Fry's open letter said that Russia is making scapegoats out of gay people, just as Hitler did the Jews, which is why he's called for a boycott of the upcoming Winter Olympics set to take place in the Russian town of Sochi next February. Now, the boycott Sochi idea is gathering at lightning pace, with commentators on both sides of the story weighing in. Some observers have pointed out that the legislation passed in Russia isn't unprecedented. In fact, the UK itself had a similar law in place until very recently.
The United Kingdom had something called Section 28 in place until 2003, which was almost exactly the same as the recent law passed in Russia, which said that homosexuality should not be promoted in schools or to minors.
So much for keeping sport and politics separate, which is exactly the message that the International Olympic Committee gave to RT.
Boycotting Sochi 2014 would only serve to deprive the country's athletes from fulfilling their dreams of competing at an Olympic Games, something they've dedicated a great portion of their lives to accomplish. History has shown that boycotts do not solve anything, but simply punish Olympic athletes.
Those campaigning for gay rights are also doubting whether Stephen Fry's proposed boycott is the right path to go down.
The only people who will suffer because of this boycott is the sportsmen who are participating in these competitions. That's why I'm against. The best solution in this case is to go and protest during the Olympic Games.
Concern surrounding the new gay propaganda law in Russia has even led to worries that gay athletes could be arrested when they arrive in Sochi for the Games, to which Russian authorities have clarified that the new law doesn't outlaw homosexuality and that those attending and participating in the Games will be safe. Despite the assurances in this former Olympic host city, the talk of boycott shows no sign of abating. Polly Boyko, RT, London.